Koe Miss Appraxus New Zealand Wafe Tahaniva. Miss Lavinia Telisa Finau. Lavinia Telisa Finau and her sarong tie is based on this year's theme, Tonga. Her sarong design is symbolic of our motto, which is Tonga Mo'unga ki Heloto. The tie is centralized in her heart with the most powerful element of our body, mind and soul. It also signifies a binding rope of a child from her mother womb. Lavinia has chosen the vibrant blue color to represent the vast Pacific Ocean, which surrounds her island home, the Kingdom of Tonga. The ocean represents life, natural resources, and nourishment to her people. The hand-painted two sailing canoes design that adorn her sarong wear symbolizes the journey that Tongan people has come a long way in terms of social, spiritual, economical, and especially political areas. Our people were known to be the best seafarer in the Pacific, which represents our hardworking people, our commitment, culture, sensitivity of love and respect. God to be glorified, who passed on says as our ancestors has marked our identity, and up to you and me to treasure our princely beauty. My child, that yesterday I carved as footprints for you. Today you take that footprint. Tomorrow, that footprint will pave pathways to our future backgrounds. We are all a part of the same thread that bonds and connects us together. Tonga Mo'unga ki Heloto. Ladies and gentlemen, Lavinia Telisa Finau, Miss Appraxus, New Zealand.
Fika hongfu maua I he whiauhi o e whiawhini ko e Miss Appraxus New Zealand 2015, Lavinia Telisa Finau. Miss Appraxus New Zealand is a picture of regal tonight in this Coronation Island-styled evening wear. The coronation-inspired gown was designed to be a masterpiece, a great piece of costume history to reflect the grand coronation events we have all just witnessed in the Kingdom of Tonga. It reflects the design and color of the Tongan flag to reinforce our Tongan culture instead of the usual competitive background of color and precious gems, thus making this gown highly elaborate and yet severely simple. The gown was of course handmade and woven, a very rare process today as power-driven machinery has superseded these operations in most places. Notably, the gown is made from local resources, the bodice having been hand-sewn from the legendary Fetaaki and decorated with the beautiful red seeds of the lopa tree, with their combined colors deploying that of the beloved Tongan flag. The bottom floor of the gown is tucked in styles of waves to depict the peaceful waves of the shores of the Friendly Islands. This magnificent dress is complemented with a shawl-type robe also made of fetaaki and decorated with Tongan kakala that depicts the design of the whakamatamoana, a style of garland, kahoa kakala, usually reserved for the nobility and quite befitting for decorations to complement this evening gown. Miss Appraxus New Zealand also features with her evening wear matching accessories comprising of a decorative comb styled to conform to the splendid and majestic helu o pilo level, with the theme Tonga proudly embroidered on the comb. To top it off is a crown made also from fetaaki and lined with lotus seeds on the bottom and the famous Heilala flower. Her shoes are also styled with fetaaki and decorated with lotus seeds, and her earrings are Heilala flowers. Ladies and gentlemen, contestant number 12, Miss Appraxus New Zealand 2015, Lavinia Telisa Finau in her contemporary island creation. Miss Appraxus New Zealand 2015's contemporary island creation this evening was designed by Moana's creation. Whaafofa au pito ai ngahi teunga o e kau whinemui he whiawhini. Te mo ngā welahi ko whahoko e ki nau tolu ne nau whahoko ai ngahi design ko ia o ngahi teunga.